Hi, just a short video to show you this Dyson V6 Animal Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. It's in full working order, comes with everything as pictured. The bush bar head, I've taken this apart, cleaned it and put it back together. Does have, everything has use marks, it's used. It does have use marks and dust in tight places. Comes with a official charger, a replacement crevice tool and a replacement combination tool. The wand does have scratches. It's like there. This is why I make these videos, so you can see them a bit better than the eBay pictures. It's only cosmetic. And then the main unit, the filter. If I can pull it out one-handed. The filter has been fully washed and cleaned. The main head's been fully washed and cleaned inside and out, and the bin has been washed. The bin does have use marks because it's used. The battery is a brand new, for this listing, 8000 mAh replacement battery. There's two modes on the Dyson. This is economy. Press the button on the back. When you press the button on the back, it turns blue, gives you boost power, but it drains the battery until you charge it again. To show you working quickly, I do have many other Dysons listed. Please take a look. So it's full working order. The bush bar head does have this kind of scratch in the clear plastic, but it's only cosmetic. It's a vacuum cleaner. Any questions at all, please ask. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching.